Hey guys, welcome to B-Stride DIY. I'm at Walmart to show you some of their Black Friday deals, or at least some of their tool deals going on right now during this Black Friday period. So these are some $10 items. These are from hypertough. They had some $5 bins and $10 bins. Now this is a 12-in-1 hammer multi-tool. Looks like it has a hammer, bottle opener saw, a little mini saw, screwdriver. And next to it they had this magnetic wristband. This is a 3.5 inch as far as the width. You could just put random small screws and tools on it. Now this is a 3-in-1 laser line torpedo level. You're going to have that 10-foot laser line as well as the level, which can be pretty handy. This could be good for using like some DIY projects, hanging pictures, some things where you don't need a laser level going 100 feet. This is a 2-piece multi-tool pen set. This is pretty interesting. Looks like this one has a light on it. And then the other pen, I'm not sure if it does, but it shows you the assembly instructions. Now next we have one of those popular, or they were popular about 2 years ago, these 2-piece 3/8 inch universal socket adapter sets. This is from hypertough. You can attach these to a drill or whatever you really need to. Now this next one coming up is pretty cool. I've actually used something very similar to this working on our ice machine. This is a 2-piece light and magnetic pickup tool. And what had happened is I lost a screw when taking apart our ice maker, and actually had to use, because this is a light feature, and then at the end of the light it's magnetic, so it'll actually pick up items you may be looking for with this. Now this is a 1600 PSI electric pressure washer. This is from hypertough, has a 2-year warranty, comes with everything listed here including the foam cannon, which is nice. And this is again from hypertough. We have these $98 mechanic tool sets. I believe these are 300-piece tool sets. I'm going to go a little bit closer and show you what all these have. It says they are rust resistant, chrome plated as far as the finish. And from Hart as well, they've got these pressure washers for $284. This is the rollback price. They have these 2500 PSI pressure washers. These are for heavy duty cleaning. They come with everything listed here. The spray handles, looks like oil, hoses, and some few starter bits as well. Now this one right here is going to be $328, so a little bit more, but this one is more for like commercial cleaning. It says it has an onboard soap tank as well, which I don't think the other one did. And this one has a 3-year warranty. The other one has a 3-year warranty too, but that one's more for heavy duty. This is heavy duty and commercial cleaning. So just a little bit difference there, but these are 2 rollback prices on these. And now for $69 is a 4-port Hart charger. It says it includes a under 1 hour rapid charge for these, and it can charge up to 4 batteries. Now this is a 3/8 of an inch drill driver project kit. So this comes with, it's like a toolkit. It comes with like a level, different drill bits. It says it has 33 different hand accessory tools, as well as the battery, of course, and chargers. Now this is from Hart. It's a garage storage starter kit. And I was kind of curious as far as all this had. It says it can hold up to 55 pounds per hook or 300 pounds if you want to use the whole rail. It's an 18-piece set. And I was actually, I don't feel stupid for thinking this. It does not include the tools. I thought it may have included them, and I was like, well, what's the price on this thing? I'll show you that in a second here. It just includes the actual bar and installation kit. This is $67 here, and it's an 18-piece set. Now for $49, this is a 20-volt 3/8 inch drill kit. So it includes everything here, includes the drill as well as the 1.5 amp hour battery and the charger. Now this is the 1/2 drill driver kit, 1/2 inch drill driver kit for $59. So just about $10 more on that one. And then right next to it, no, I believe that's still the $59 one. For some reason, I thought it was a little bit different. So they had a ton of these Hart tools, and they had them mostly locked up. Now for $148, this is a 20-volt impact wrench. It says it's their 20-volt system, 1/2 inch, and that's going to be $148. For whatever reason, I thought it was going to be the 4-tool set, because that's going to be the same price. And then you've got the circular saw here. They didn't have as many deals on the power tools as I thought they would for whatever reason. I guess with Hart and hypertough, they're going to be pretty low prices anyway. But Now for this impact driver bit set, it's a 68-piece set. I think it's $16 is what it said there. And they've got the black tipped ones here, and they have the easy bit removal they're claiming on this. Now in the same aisle, but right behind me, they had some Hart wet dry vacs. This is a 6-gallon wet dry vac for $53. This is from Hart. It's saying it's a 5 peak horsepower with a 6-foot hose and an 8-foot power cord. And this is what the box looks like. They had a few other ones I'll show you as well. And the difference is just the capacity, really. So this one's a 10-gallon. They've got the 8-gallon. That's for $84. The 10-gallon's going to be $79. And then this one is the 16-gallon. That's going to be the $119 price range. And for $19, they had the 20-volt, 2-amp-hour hypertough battery. And next up, they had, from Hart, they had a rollback deal on the $68 2-pack. It's the 2-pack of the 2-amp-hour batteries. So that's this one. And then they also had a 2-pack of 4-amp-hour batteries. But this is the 2-amp-hour battery charger kit. That's $79. And then for $99, they had the 4-amp-hour battery 2-pack. And I did not see that when I saw the lithium-ion 2-amp-hour battery pack, but the 4-amp-hour battery may have just been behind it, and I didn't see it. This is the 1/2-inch drill kit. This is comes with everything here, the 1.5 amp-hour battery, as well as fast charger for $79. Now this is one of those $5 bins. I think they had a $5 and a $10 bin, but this is knives and multi-tools. So this first one here, I'll get a little bit closer for you, but it's going to be a 7.5-inch fixed blade knife. It does come with a sheath as well, so that's pretty nice. I said knife. But yeah, definitely a decent deal, and this is from the Ozark Trail. Let me know in the comments, guys, if there's anything you see you might want to pick up, or just a stocking stuffer. And then right around the other side here, they had some different multi-tools. I will show you here. This is going to be another $5 bin from Hypertough. They had these 25-foot auto lock tape measures, and they were missing a few here. This looks like some had sold in this 3-piece hex key set. So you get 3 different hex keys, SAE and metric. And then right down below, they had the 7-piece screwdriver set. So that's not too bad. With the soft grip handles. And then right over to the right of it here, they had this 3-piece magnetic tray set. So if you want to put your different bits in there or whatever so you don't lose them. They had the 3-piece plier set you could see to the right of that. And then this one here was a 12-piece precision knife set. This looks like it had different blades, so you could use it as a cutting tool or whatever you need here. These would be nice little stocking stuffers around this time of year. And a 3-piece lighted magnifying set. This would be great if you work on like hobbies or small electronics, things like that. And then that's the plier set here. Let me come around to this side. This is for $34.97. For whatever reason, they had these all alarmed up. They didn't have any with anything else, so kind of strange. But this is the 50-piece Project Start kit with storage bag. So you're getting the drill and all the different tools here, 50 different pieces. But yeah, they had these alarmed up like someone was going to take them. Now this is it says the world's indoor safe propane heater for $64. I think this one was $79. But this one has tip over technology, so if it tips over, it'll turn off. And this one is the 4,000 BTU one for $74. And that's going to be a sale price on that one, of course, with the tip over technology there as well. Now these were cool. I didn't see these were sale prices, but it's $5.97. This is an 18-inch machete. So, I mean, just kind of a standard machete. I don't remember what the Harbor Freight price was, but still not bad. And then $9, they had this little multi-tool. I think these are from the Ozark Trail. And this one is a $9 6-in-1 multi-tool, but it actually comes with a decent looking knife as well. So it has knife flashlight as well as a fire starter. I should have picked that up. And then this one is from Ozark Trail as well. This is a camping tool set. It's a 12-piece set. It looks like you're getting a machete, a knife, flashlight, little fire starter, some carabiners, some rope, and a little axe as well. So not a bad deal on this one either. They did have some camping stuff And although they didn't have huge sale prices on it, I think the prices were still pretty decent. These were some tumblers for $9, about the same size as the Stanley ones. And then they had one for $8.98 for the smaller ones. I think these were the 16 ounces. So I hope this video helped out, guys, and these are some different Walmart deals around the Black Friday time of year. So go ahead and check out this next video as well.